Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this 2023 Acura MDX and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before doing the installation on the headlight, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. If you like the product, link for the product will be linked below. With that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the headlight. So all you need to do is just apply Slip Solution to the lens, and with a clean microfiber towel, remove any contaminants that the headlight may have. So to start off the installation, just apply Slip Solution to the headlight and Slip Solution to the adhesive side of the film. And all you need to do is just place the film and align it to the headlight. And we're going to start by aligning it to this side first, and then tagging it down using Tack Solution and then our squeegee to secure it. So align it right on the edge, make sure it's aligned here, and you're going to have a little bit of material that tacks down on top. Once you have it aligned, lift the film carefully and apply Tack Solution underneath and on top of the film. Keep it aligned and then hold it in position and tack it down with your squeegee. Make sure to remove all the solution that's underneath the film and just help it secure it on this section. Once you secure it, we can move on with the rest of the film, which is stretching it until we reach it here. The next thing is to stretch the film, making sure this section is aligned to this section of the headlight here. So do a light stretch until it's right there on the edge, and then we're going to tack it down with Tack Solution. So stretch the film until it's aligned there, apply Tack Solution, and start tagging it down. Okay, and now that this one is secured, stretch the rest of the film until you reach to the top edge. And as you're stretching, you are going to notice the fingers that you had here start to get smaller. So as you can see, they got smaller, and all we need to do now is secure it on top, hold it in position, and apply Tack Solution to anchor it. So hold it and tack it down. And now the small fingers that we have here and here, in order to remove them, all you need to do is apply Tack Solution. So wherever you see those fingers, apply Tack Solution, and then a little bit of heat, and it just helps them tack down. So heat here to shrink the fingers, and heat on top. And something you can do to help remove the fingers more faster is wrap your microfiber towel on your squeegee and tack it down like this. And the same steps that you did here, do them on top. Just be careful not to accidentally crease the film. And just repeat this process on the top section until you remove the fingers. And you can always lift the hood to make it easier for you to tack down. Just make sure once you're done, you seal everything. And now the last thing to do once you finish removing all the fingers is to pulse heat the entire film. That way the adhesive is able to activate faster and tack down to the headlight. So to finish it off, just apply Tack Solution all over the headlight. And we're going to use our heat gun to apply heat to the whole entire film. That way we remove any fingers that are still left over, and just helping seal the film so that way it doesn't lift over time. So take your time when you're doing this, make sure you go all over the film, tack everything down, and then once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. Thank you for choosing Bogar Tech Design. As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you loved your product, please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support from our family to yours. So that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the 2023 Acura MDX. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.